In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting up your environment for Firebase and Flutterfire. 220. Before you dive into building apps with Firebase and Flutter, it's essential to have a clean foundation. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through 3 prerequisites. Having access to the Firebase console with a Google account, making sure Node.js and NPM are installed, and setting up the Firebase CLI and Flutterfire CLI with authentication. By the end, you'll be ready to connect your project without roadblocks. First, you'll need a Google account that can access the Firebase console. If you're working solo, sign into the Firebase console using the account you plan to use for development. If you're collaborating with a team, confirm that your account has the right permissions for the project you'll be working on. A quick tip: stick to one account across your tools and browsers to avoid confusing logins or permission errors later. If you switch accounts often, consider using a separate browser profile to keep sessions tidy. Next, ensure Node.js and NPM are installed. The Firebase CLI relies on them, so this is non-negotiable. Open your terminal and check versions with Node, V, and NPM V. If both commands return versions, you're in good shape. If not, install the latest long-term support LTS version of Node.js, which includes NPM. Keeping to LTS reduces unexpected compatibility issues. After installation, run the version checks again. If your terminal can't find the commands, close and reopen it, or restart your machine to refresh your path. Also, avoid mixing package managers across environments to keep installs predictable. Finally, install and authenticate the Firebase CLI and Flutterfire CLI. The Firebase CLI is your gateway to logging in, managing projects, and deploying resources. Install it globally with npm install SciG Firebase tools. Verify it worked by running Firebase while version. Then authenticate with Firebase login, which opens a browser window so you can confirm the correct Google account. Once that's done, install the Flutterfire CLI by running dart pub global activate Flutterfire CLI. Confirm it's available with Flutterfire home version. If your terminal can't find Flutterfire after activation, make sure your system recognizes the dart pub global bin directory. Restarting the terminal often resolves this. With both CLIs installed and your account authenticated, you're set up to configure Firebase for your app when you're ready. That's it. You now have account access, Node.js, and NPM in place, and the Firebase and Flutterfire CLIs installed and authenticated. Save these commands somewhere handy. You'll reference them often as you build.